Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the issue of laptop camera or webcam not working in Windows 7. So there are two methods to fix this issue. Let's see the method number 1. Just click on the start button, go to the search bar and type services. Now just right click over this search result services and click on the option run as administrator. Now in this list of services, just search for Windows Update. So here it is, just click on it, right click over it, click on the properties option, and now just change the startup type from automatic to disabled. After this, just click on the stop button to stop this service, click on the apply button and click on the OK button. Now just close this window, open my computer, go to the C drive, open Windows folder, and after this just open this software distribution folder. Now in this software distribution folder you have to delete two folders. One is data store and other is download. So just select them both and press the delete key on the keyboard to delete them. Click on the yes button, click on the continue button, and after this just close this window. And now you have to do one thing more, and that is you have to restart the Windows Update service. So again go to search bar and type services, right click over this services, click on the option run as administrator, again search for Windows Update, right click on properties option, change the startup type from disabled to automatic delete start, click on the apply button, click on the start button to start the service, click on the OK button. Now close this window and check whether your issue is resolved or not. So this was method number 1. If method number 1 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 2. Click on the start button, go to the search bar and type device manager. Just click on the search result device manager. And now just expand this device imaging devices. After this just click on this easy camera driver. It may be something else written over here in your system. So just click on your driver, right click and just click on the uninstall option to uninstall the driver. After this click on the action menu and click on this option scan for hardware changes to install that driver back. So the easy camera driver is now again installed. After this just close this window and just check whether your issue is resolved or not. So these were the two methods that you can try out to fix the issue of laptop camera or webcam not working in Windows 7. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.